Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, this is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Newbeersday collab. For more information, go see The Dude's Kitchen and Grill. Alright, so the beer I have today is a Grasshopper wheat ale from the Big Rock Brewery. It says, fresh from the prairie hoppers, this wheat ale has a crisp finish, balancing its soft sweetness with fruity and bready notes. And because we're in Canada, it's 5% alcohol. Give it a little try. Oh yeah, it's really nice. I quite enjoy that. So if you're in Canada, check out the Big Rock Brewery. Any of their products are very good. I didn't really prepare a speech, but I'd like to accept this dog on behalf of the Academy, and I'd like to thank my mother. I'd like to thank the Dude's Kitchen and... Oh!
Get my dog's name out of your fucking mouth.